Assalamu alaikum guys. I need rings a lot, so I told my dad that please make a ring box for me. Right now I just have this, but in the future I'll have a lot. So look, this is how it's like. And when you open it, it's like this, and you put your ring in. You close it, and it's like that. So when I get more rings, and I'll tell you. And when I get more rings even bigger than this box, then I'll have another box, and if that box is filled, then I'll put one on the top, so it'll look like a beehive. So it's gonna be cool. So when I get more rings, I'll tell you. Bye.